Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Tnad Pulit jong ka West Khasi Hills District. Haka arpuhun reo tarik ubnai jilleo arjar arpuway kala rakhi ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking halor ka phang ka baong wat penjot yalade ka mensim ka bakordor tam hagani ka sngi kum shibenta ban pensngo tho yiki Paidbah halor ka jingshir khai jong udrok ubala penjot yiki imlang ka salang ka Tnad Pulit kala palai Paidbah ru ya ka Jingrwai halor udrok ya ka bala ai kerteng we will rise ya ka bala rwai ne ka kunhon tem na nongston ya ka bala tip kerteng kum ka thunders cave.
Hi guys, my name is Paidbah and I am the bass guitarist of our band Thunders Cave. Since today we celebrate International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. From our side, we would like to give you a message to each and everyone, and especially to the young ones, to please be very careful with our own lives and stay away from drugs and other bad things. So today we are going to give you guys one song. And this song is dedicated to all the people who have been addicted to drugs. And this song, it tells about the strength and the power and the passion that each and every one of us have inside of ourselves. And this song, it also gives us a message that each and every one of us always have a second chance in our own life. And that's what the song is for.
This life to be strong and patient. Walk throughout that door of pain. Bring the light, carry on until we die. Through the eyes of the enemy. Through the fire, through the flames. No return but days of fear. Let it burn until we rise again. We will fight, will not die. We will survive. We will rise up in the sky. Higher and higher. Spread our wings and fly. We will rise.
Còn ai là message mà kiến long và ăn cả nhà là cái trong cái gì mà vấn đề bằng góc những rock mà cũng rock và still là cái imam sẽ làm một chất cả gì
Now it's time to fight and strive. Out of the ashes we will rise. Break the wall from heart and soul. Wake from the dead and change the world. This is the chance to build new life, abundant soul to purify. Let the world know we're alive. We will fight, will not die. We will survive. We will rise up in the sky. Higher and higher. Spread our wings and fly. We will rise.
Cùng SP từ West Khasi District và gần tu yang bodoh pinong song. Bikin ni benya ila kiyeng kisam songki. Sim ya kejingkit klie bagi kai. Buat ben pedi ila kijong kikon kiki. Kikon samla. Ya kaldi ke bapha bat ke badai. Ai mensi miki bat pelut por bani keren bat ki. Nang bat hidup la bani rap ya ki hadi jimut jingkhat songki baro. Ai mensi mdu ya binong yalam snong ki snong baper batin peksiar ban pesani bha ya ki khla snong ki jongki. Nang bat hidup la bani dai kun kena naga jing snail jong Drok gula penjat hadu kata-kata gajing yam jung griu. Hublai drugs ko jakalna naga metela. Jai Hind.
Love yourself.
Stay away from drugs.